Welcome to FinTech Central. This is Byte-Sized Intel, where we break down complex tech and finance topics into simple, no-fluff explanations, all in under 3 minutes. Let's get into it. So what is blockchain? It's a digital ledger, a way to record transactions publicly. Now imagine that ledger as a shared Google document. Anyone can view it, and everyone can see updates in real time. But once something's written, it can't be changed. That's the basic idea of a blockchain. Each time a transaction happens, it gets added to a digital block. You can think of a block like a page in that Google document. Each block stores a batch of transactions, like a log of activity. Once that block is full, it links to the previous one, forming a continuous chain of blocks. Hence the name, blockchain. But why is that powerful? Each block also includes a unique cryptographic code, kind of like a fingerprint, called a hash. If someone tries to change the data in a block, the fingerprint changes too, and the entire chain breaks. This alerts everyone else in the network that something's not right. So unlike traditional databases controlled by one company or server, a blockchain is decentralized. It's maintained by a network of computers that all keep identical copies. And before any new transaction is added, it has to be verified and agreed upon by the majority. That's what makes it transparent, secure, and virtually tamper-proof. So now that you've got a basic idea of what blockchain is, you might be wondering, what's the point? How is this actually used in real life? Let's start with Bitcoin. When you send Bitcoin to someone, that transaction is verified by thousands of computers around the world. Once it's confirmed, it's written into a new block on the blockchain. Just like adding a line with transaction details in our public Google document. Everyone can see that line. It can't be edited. And because everyone has a copy of the doc, it's nearly impossible to fake. That's what makes Bitcoin so powerful. No bank, no single company. Just a shared record of transactions that anyone can view, but no one can secretly manipulate. But it's not just Bitcoin and cryptocurrency which leverage blockchain technology. This same concept can be applied to any number of real-life scenarios. Take voting as another example. Imagine if every time someone voted, their ballot became a transaction on a blockchain. Picture it like placing your vote in a transparent ballot box that's monitored by a room full of people. And once your vote is cast, it's locked in, timestamped, and verified by everyone instantly. No tampering. No ballot box stuffing. No rigged counts. Each vote would be digitally recorded, permanently locked, and viewable by the public, while still protecting voter identities. That's the power of blockchain in elections. It brings transparency, security, and trust to a process that desperately needs it. So what have we learned? Blockchain is more than just the tech behind crypto. It's a secure, decentralized, and transparent way to record information. It's being used in finance, logistics, voting, healthcare, and we're only scratching the surface. If you found this helpful, hit like and follow for more bite-sized tech and finance intel, right here on FinTech Central.